part 7B. So anyone that has been watching these, okay, I don't know how many people are going to watch these. I recorded them all in like a morning, and just like a continuous stream of just thoughts that were in my head that I just wanted to share, because I'm that kind of person. Just overshare. But yeah, so the last little one, actual video, part 7, whatever you want to call it, was about like marketing, and I talked a little bit about Facebook because that's what I built my bit of the club on. This is about kind of marketing, but what I'm doing now. Okay, I'm using a slightly different mix of stuff. So some people know Facebook at the moment or Facebook advertising at the moment is being hampered a little bit by like the security and kind of stuff that goes on with like iOS. I think it's 13 and up. So you can put out your Facebook marketing and not everybody sees it. It does not get seen by a lot of people on Facebook, about a lot of Apple users in particular. And Android's got a similar system, things like that. So your Facebook advertising isn't necessarily going to hit as well as it used to. And when I say used to, I mean like when I was really pushing, like I started really pushing hard on it, which was kind of 2016, 17, 18, 17, 18 in particular, in 2019, like up to COVID, I went very heavy for my financial budget, which is not vast. I've talked about like our thin margins in the past, but I mean, I got to the point where I was putting in like about 250 quid a month on Facebook advertising, which is not a lot. I'll say that now, that's not a lot. That's barely even a tenner a day, which is kind of where a lot of people now say that's where you need to start. And then, but it really worked. But now I'm doing about the same in Facebook. I'm doing about 250 a month still. But I am using TikTok, but for different purposes, kind of to redirect people to say, look, I do stuff, this exists. Check out my YouTube channel. It's got stuff on it, videos on it, help on it, this, that, and the other on it. Some of which was recorded in the old shared place that we had that I mentioned before. New bits will be obviously shot in here because it's nicer. But also, I've gone back to leafleting. Just like I got some very colourful, they look very nice, colourful leaflets, and I'm literally using my daytimes when I'm not teaching classes to wander around posting leaflets through people's letterboxes, and it's really time consuming, but it works.